India is largest, then there are issues with milk producers. There are issues with milk processing capacities and constraints. There are issues with cattle feed, which he covered. And okay, what is that which is the need? And what is that which IDMC is trying to do? IDMC is trying to set up, or rather is setting up, probably the first fully automated cattle feed plant of capacity 1000 tons per day as an NDDB project for Banas Dairy in Palanpur. It's an automated plant with many new things in it, and yes, fully aware that these automated plants are not the need of the country, because everywhere you may not need such big plants, but from them will we learn to take the plants of our requirement, which would be 100 tons per day, 200 tons per day, from a very low level of technology which has not got upgraded to a level where it will reduce the cost, where it will bring about consistency in product quality, and therefore, and then also maybe in terms of feed recipes, designing them properly for the various ages of cattle, all that will come. If we talk about milk chilling, everybody knows that to ensure quality and sufficient availability, milk needs to be chilled immediately and hygienically handled. Gone are the days when we used to put up IBT, IMCUs of Alfa-Laval. Then came the age of chilling centers, and now is the age of bulk coolers. There are a lot of bulk coolers which are installed, but we have taken that technology from Europe, where a bulk cooler is used in a dairy farm for chilling milk that comes readily in through a pipeline. We are using it as collection centers in our villages. We have learnt our lessons by installing. We are the largest bulk cooler manufacturer in the country, holding a share of 65%, and we are learning our own way in continuously improving the bulk cooler. I will just highlight some of the improvements which we have done and which are on the way. India is a huge country, huge customer base and huge requirement. Earlier a time was there when we used to say that okay, up to 2000 liters there should be open type bulk coolers, easy to inspect, easy to clean. Then came an age where some of the customers are even talking about 1000 liter bulk cooler to be closed type. We provide a complete range from closed type to open type, from 1000 liters, lowest is 300 liters, to as high as 10,000 liters presently. That is just to serve the needs. There is an initiative towards faster cooling, what was being talked about by Mr. Bale and also touched about by our chairman. Milk needs to be cooled to 4 degrees, that's absolutely correct. But certain work has been done in Kheda district and elsewhere, that if you are able to cool milk to 15 degrees immediately, you are able to check the bacteriological deterioration which would otherwise take place. Now you use a bulk cooler, which is also a storage tank provided with a refrigeration unit.